everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Life. If you're new to my channel, I'm Rashmi. Subscribe Rashmi's Vlog Life. It's free. After subscribed, click on bell notification button. In that option, select all to get notified every time. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me and my channel. This is very special video for me because this is my first vlog, and you will be seeing after this clip you will be seeing my actual vlog. Since due to memory card issue I couldn't end or start my vlog properly, so serious apologies for that, and I'll do the proper vlogs hereafter, and you can see more vlogs in my channel because the name itself Rashmi's Vlog Life. If you want to watch the actual vlog, then it will start now. Huh? ఓంకాళేశ్వర చూడల వైద్యనాథ్ చూడల జార్ఖండ్లో చూడలేం మనం పోయి 4 చూడల భీమాశంకరం చూసేసినాం. త్రియంబకేశ్వర్ చూసేసినాము. కేదార్నాథ్ ఇంకా పోలే డాడీ మనం. మనకాయ సార్
யாரோ தேடிக்கொண்டிருக்கின்றதோ ஆத்மாவாகிய நான் பல பிறவிகளாக யாரை தேடிக்கொண்டிருந்தேனோ அந்த சிவத்தந்தை
அப்பா எனக்கும் சேர்த்து పర్వాలే పెట్టుకో. నీ ఫోన్లో నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తాను మీది బ్యాలెన్స్ డాడీ. Today is the last day for this Anmiga Ulagam, so I came with my dad. Anmiga Kankachi, which is a divine exhibition in Chennai. I'll take some video clips and I'll record, upload it in YouTube like a vlog.
என்னது
எவ்வளோ சுவாசத்தை இல்லைங்க, லைட்டாக இல்லைங்க, ஓலைச்சுவடியில் அந்த முறைப்படி
தப்பு ஓலைச்சுவடி எடுத்து
அவங்க தொந்தரவு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தலைவலி, ஒத்த தலைவலி, சுவாச கோளாறு, மூக்கடைப்பு, த்ரோட் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் அந்த மாதிரிலாம்
அண்ணா எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ.
பொருளை வச்சு நீங்களே செய்யலாம். கிராம்பு, மிளகு, சுக்குப்பொடி, இந்து உப்பு அதெல்லாம் வச்சு செய்யலாம்.
இந்து உப்பு
சேர்ந்து வேணாலும் வாங்கிக்கலாம், நீங்களும் செய்யலாம். அதுக்கு எதுவும் வச்சுருக்கோம். எல்லாமே ஹெர்பல் இல்லை, எந்த சைடு எஃபெக்டும் வராது.
నాన్న నీ ఫోన్లో రికార్డ్ చేసి ఎత్తుతా. just got card only. Cash card. My dad will explain regarding this exhibition.
This is once in every year they are conducting this exhibition, spiritual exhibition. This all types of what is Siddha, Ayurvedic, Yoga, and Unani, meditation, and all types of what is called specific things we have to know.
I'm recording it from my dad's mobile since my mobile is don't have memory. I forgot to delete some memories in my mobile. So okay, so far we came middle of the exhibition. I don't know how many things are there here to see. Whatever is there, I'll record and I'll show you guys. Bye bye. This is Ganga Jal. Ganga Vandanam. Ganges river water. 5 elements called Panjabhudam in Tamil or in its Panch Bhut. This one is Bhumi Vandanam. This one is Ganges Ganga Vandanam. Then Vriksha Vandanam. Tulasi Vandanam. There are 5 elements. Earth is my mother. I am her child. Prithvi Sukta, Atharva Veda.
Mata Bhumi, Putroham, Prithviha.
This one is Suvanshini Vandanam, Kanya Vandanam, Swashni. This is Swashni Vandanam. These are traditional medicines. Mostly these exhibitions have natural medicinals and Ayurvedic medicines.
இல்லை இது வந்து நாட்டு பசுக்கள் காளை மாடுகளை வச்சு பாதுகாத்துருக்கோம். ஸோ பசுஞ்சாணத்தில் செய்ய போது அதே மாதிரி பசுஞ்சாணத்தில் செய்த மஸ்கிட்டோ ஸ்டிக்லாம்
நானா கோலாப்பூர் லக்ஷ்மி தானே. These are Indian natural herbs which are having a medicinal properties. There are so many blocks in this exhibition. They have mentioned it with 1E, 1A, 1F like that. So it's all about spirituality. It's all about Hinduism, spirituality, meditations and yoga, dhyana, all sort of things, and also natural remedies, natural medicinal therapies, natural herbs and everything they have.
एक मुग्गे ये ஒரு
முகம் 1000 ரூபாய்
இருக்கா 500 ரூபாய்க்கு சென்னையில் இருக்க அட்ரஸ்
ஃபோன் நம்பர் இருக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அவர் வந்து வேப்பம்பட்டில் இருக்கா போல
So this is Ekmukh Rudraksh. This one is 8-face Rudraksh. This one is 7-face Rudraksh. This one is 9-face Rudraksh. This one is 10-face Rudraksh. This is 6-face Rudraksh. 3-face Rudraksh. 2 phases Rudraksh, and this one is 4-face Rudraksh. This one is 5-face Rudraksh. This one is particular. I have inserted few clips for my vlogs and also few pictures because the card issue, memory card issue, that's the reason. And if you like this video, please hit a like button, and if you like my channel, subscribe. It's free and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Bye bye, have a great day.